Kan long ka jing mentoi ka bakraw ki Nongrep Sohtrun ki baha ka shinong dihar bat kumju sya ki Paidbah no syang shinong jong ka dihar ka jing yo ban pleno e ka pineapple processing unit ka badai ka jaka pen mi so na Sohtrun bat kumju la ple Paidbah ru e ka prine hop dihar ha ka bang la ple Paidbah da menteri rang ba ka jilla Meghalaya u Konrad Sangma ha ka khat Soutrik unailar arajar arpulai ha ka shinong dihar riboy district. Na lor menteri rong ba ka jilla layadon bansa kilang hakate ka singi daw MLA ka umsning Dr. Selisun Lengdo MDC umsning Kong Magdalene Maulong Arpet Yubhadhaya DC Ribhoy Giri Prasad SP Ribhoy bat kinong ilam shinong bat kit khot jong ka IVCS dihar kumban chuk dowi ka prain hop dihar label tengka ling ba ka sarkar jilla ha ka jinges nokti lang bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency Hakador iway point 100% klur bat yaga pineapple processing unit labay tingkal ang baka SFURTI central scheme under MSME hakajingas nokti lang bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency hakador ka ba iway point 100% klur tingka.
About what we are trying to do out here. Back in 2018, I had come up with a very small idea that we should start recognizing and awarding some of the young entrepreneurs of our state. And so we started a Chief Minister's Entrepreneurship Award, and based on that we started to give 1 lakh rupees to different entrepreneurs who were doing different kind of businesses in whatever line they were doing. And the idea behind this was a basic principle, which is that until and unless the public and the private sector, when I say public I don't mean government, when I say public means the general public, and the entrepreneurs and the private sector, until unless they don't get involved in the economic activity of a nation or of a state, we will not see sustainable development. And hence the only way for a country or for a state to achieve economic sustainability and development is to push the ecosystem for entrepreneurship forward. And hence started a very, very long journey for us with a small award that we started giving to the conceptualization of what we call PRIME program. So the PRIME program is an acronym, of course, but this acronym and the word PRIME is actually meant for entrepreneurship. That's what it is. It's about promoting entrepreneurship. It's about promoting business. It's about promoting different groups at different levels so that they can achieve and do more than what they have been doing in the past. Now, when I say entrepreneurship, it doesn't have to mean a business or a big industry. It doesn't have to mean a corporation. Entrepreneurship even starts off with a very small thing like an individual running a shop. It may not be the ideal innovative entrepreneurship that we want, but it is still an entrepreneurship unit, a small one. Our self-help groups who are doing the different programs and having different kind of food processing units and packaging units, it's a form of entrepreneurship. The integrated village cooperative societies, the IVCS that we have, these are also enterprises and entrepreneurship in nature. And hence we started realizing that until unless there is a platform, until unless there is a program that will give importance and impetus to the entrepreneurship programs, will give the necessary platform and necessary support in terms of training, in terms of finances, in terms of packaging, marketing, all the kind of support you require, we realize that entrepreneurship will not
Mismo pada ka burung ka bakrao yung nagkiramba, blushing ka ni initiative yung program ka bakrao, ban launch yung Prime Hub. But lingba ka jingis na tilang, ka jom hilang baro. Prime Hub has given us hope and confidence to the entrepreneurs of our beloved Meghalaya that the government is there to support and nurture their goals and aspiration for a better and a brighter future. Our state is filled with vibrant and artistic minds that just need more support in every field. My sincere and humble request to all the entrepreneurs of Ribhoy and others is to take their opportunity very seriously and use the support and advice to help accelerate growth in your business. There are ways and means for entrepreneurs to finally have a support system where they can focus on new, innovative ways of working, designing, organizing towards higher growth and to be more competitive with others in the country.
Marjan kasinong bihar famtone na naman tayo besong ako bihar. Ngarap ka katis movement banyosno wa Sohtrun mata belastan pan proses ane bakban salan pan itu wat sabar India. Ngila pan proses yo sking, ngila pan proses yo shunrai, ngila pan proses yo Sohtrun. Dalam hidup itu kan tulong na rapat kiwik jaga Sohtrun usuput kai. Kadau belum mengingat kalah kaliti ban proses. Begini kita dispa kapau keba ngin sa la ban petim ye kinorat kijongi ladagi kriye kalah. Nama petim, I don't know. We have a very young and dynamic chief minister. Now also he has idaksuan direct na Delhi Banja Circuit House join kane ka program ane kane ka pati ka jing smart ka jing sting. Dengan kemen ba ako kajingalam jong star contract sama kajela jongi kan sayo I ya kajingan toy at kajiroy nang nesukman. So when you go back from here, I think this is our first program. Thank you for visiting Umsning constituency. The difference of this constituency is the size for MDC constituency and MLA are the same. So basically we represent the same areas here in Umsning. Through your blessings, sir, I believe Umsning constituency, if you take Ribhoy district as a whole, is located very centrally. From Nongpo area, their produce can be brought here. From Umroi area also, their production in ginger can be brought here. On the right and left of this highway, there are many villages that produce a lot of agricultural produce. So they can all bring here, and banana production is also very high in this area. So we look forward to a brighter future for our farmers through your leadership, sir. Thank you so much. Bynta.